You know, this is one of my favorite times of year. It's just, it's so filled with memories and traditions, and it's a great time to get together with family, a lot of people that I haven't seen for a long time. So I just absolutely love the holidays. I particularly love the holidays in Nevada County because of Cornish Christmas in Grass Valley and Victorian Christmas in Nevada City. It's just a spectacularly beautiful place to be. I love the traditions, I love the chestnuts, I love walking around downtown, especially if it starts to snow. So I just love this time of year.
I think my favorite memory of all is getting to bed early the night before Christmas, waking up to go to midnight mass, getting back to bed, and then waking up really early in the morning as a child and seeing the tree lit and all the presents under the tree. It's a memory that I carry forward and have worked with my own children and now my grandchildren to carry on the same memory.
One in particular, I was a very young child, and my brother and I snuck outside or out to the living room to look at the presents, and we lived in Maryland at the time, and it had just snowed. And so it was a beautiful white Christmas, and I looked outside on our balcony and I saw little reindeer footprints outside, and I was so excited because I knew Rudolph had been to our house. When my mom came out, I asked her, how did the reindeer get onto our balcony? And she actually had no idea how those footprints got on the snow. So she's still bewildered about those footprints, but we saw them and we know it was magic.
I remember as a kid, I would always look forward to Christmas with eager anticipation to waking up one morning, to gifts under the Christmas tree. And now that I've gotten older, that anticipation is still there. I anticipate the holidays and I look forward to it with fondness. It's an opportunity to get together with family and friends and to be thankful for the many things that we are blessed with in our life.
Some of my most favorite holiday memories are more current, and it is with my sons, and we had developed a tradition of going out after Thanksgiving and cutting down our own Christmas tree, and sometimes it snows on us, which is always fabulous, bringing it home and decorating it together, and that's really special. It'll be different for me this year in not having that opportunity with one of my sons in the military and deployed in Afghanistan. But he's still in my heart.
Growing up, our family, particularly when I was very young, we had some relatively lean years. And I recall back then my mother was very prolific when it comes to handmade blankets and sweaters, and that was our Christmas one year, where she just went and made all of these different gifts for each of my siblings. There were 5 of us. It wasn't one of those Christmases where you had a lot of material gifts, but the feelings that we felt are the ones that remained with us. And those are the experiences that now, today, I hope that our own children have as we go throughout this Christmas season.
My parents would never decorate the house for Christmas. It would be just the same as it is all year long. And then on Christmas Eve, they would send us all to bed, all 5 kids. And they would spend the rest of the night doing all this, getting the house ready for Christmas, and the tree would be up, and the presents would be there, and the train would be under the tree. And it was such a wonderful celebration and a wonderful gift for us as kids to see that surprise and to make Santa Claus something real for us during the Christmas season.
My favorite carol of all times has to be Jingle Bells. It's easy to sing, and it creates a lot of joy and brings a smile to everyone's face.
My favorite Christmas song is Bruce Springsteen, Santa Claus is Coming to Town. It is a work of art. When he gets into the rhythm and the speed and the softness, it's just, I just go crazy. It's a great Christmas song.
I like Jingle Bell Rock. You're gonna ask me to sing it, aren't you? Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
I love Bing Crosby and Danny Kaye and White Christmas and Rosemary Clooney and the lady with the really small waist. I can't think of her name, but that movie's great.
I was serving as a missionary in South America, and I was feeling a little down during the Christmas season because I was a little homesick. And the song that came to mind, and comes to mind every year now, is I'll Be Home for Christmas.
I would just like to wish my entire team at Mercy San Juan a very happy holiday season, a very Merry Christmas, and a very joyous New Year.
I just so appreciate and thank everyone involved with Methodist Hospital and the great team that we are. And Happy New Year, Merry Christmas.
So thank you very much to all the employees, volunteers, and physicians that are out there every day at Mercy General Hospital. We are most appreciative for everything that you do, and we're really, really looking forward to a prosperous new year come January.
I'd like to thank all of our staff for the wonderful care they give to our patients in our community. Thank you.
On behalf of our president, Kevin Basiri, we wish all of our staff, all of our providers, all of our patients, all of those that live in our community a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and good tidings for the holidays.
Thank you so much for your hard work. Thank you so much for your compassion. Thanks so much for just the loving care you provide to our patients at Sierra Nevada Memorial. I'm so proud of you, and I'm proud to be part of the team. Thank you.
So I'd like to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I hope that everybody takes the time to spend with their families and their loved ones and enjoy that time. It's something to be cherished and develop your new memories for years to come. January starts all new year for us, a new transition into common spirit health, and I'm very excited about that and look forward to working with everybody in the future.